If there's no studies on plants, how do you know they're safe?
The reason why there's not more studies on plants often has more to do with economics than safety or effectiveness of the plant. You cannot patent a plant, and if you can't own it, then you can't sell it, which means there's no economic incentive to spend tons of money on clinical trials. That doesn't mean that we are working blindly as far as safety goes in herbalism. What I typically like to do is understand the phytochemistry. We, most of the time, do actually know many of the phytoconstituents that are in these herbs. So if it has flavonoids or saponins or alkaloids or tannins in it, we actually do have documented physiological effects that these cause in human bodies. So I'm able to take those and we can make pretty good predictions about how they will behave or interact with medications or other health conditions. The other thing that is very important to look at is cultural data. So if there is a culture that has been using the herb with the same extraction method for 100 years or more on the same condition, I do think there is important data there that can help to determine safety. With pregnancy and breastfeeding, we are using all of this phytochemistry data to determine what is the mechanism of action of these phytoconstituents, how likely is it to actually pass through to the baby during pregnancy and breastfeeding, and what is the relative risk of harm if it does pass through. This is one of the reasons a lot of people work with a clinical herbalist is there's more of an advanced understanding of the way herbs interact in the human body, and we are able to make very educated and safe decisions and recommendations that can still do a lot of good and use the incredible amount of plant medicine that is available to us in a safe way.